Begin by standing beneath the points of suspension. Your handles are hung so that the upper handles are at your shoulder height. Take a moment here for some nice deep breaths. See to it that your lower belly is engaged. Begin to add some gentle shoulder rolls. Now take one step behind the points of suspension. Pull down on the handles and move into a gentle standing back bend, and then ease yourself into a chair pose. And we'll do a little rocking forward and back onto our feet, stretching out the soles of our feet and our toes. Perching yourself on your toes, do a few shoulder shrugs here to release your trapezius. And coming back into your chair pose, push your hips forward, roll up, opening your chest to the ceiling, and gently come up. We'll do a few of these to warm up the spine. Squatting, roll up the spine, come back to standing. Let's try one more. Now, leaning back in a plank formation, let's do some bicep curls. Remember to keep your body firm by drawing your lower belly in. Keep your glutes and upper thighs engaged. Now, moving to the middle handles, we'll do some standing push-ups. Just drop your weight forward. And we worked our biceps. Now we'll do a little tricep work. We're going to now stretch the shoulders, taking a step back with your left foot. Reaching with your left arm, lean into that left rib cage. Take a nice deep breath here, and then spin yourself around, facing the back wall. Take a step forward with your right foot, leaning into that leg. Drop all of your weight into your chest, opening up through the shoulders. To deepen the stretch, bring your arms to the side in peaceful warrior, and we'll add a little pendulum sway here, side to side, moving the stretch all along the oblique muscles. Stepping your front foot back, draw your hands behind you and adjust your grip. So now you're in an underhand grip as you fold forward. Very slowly begin to drop your weight into a plank. This is a deep shoulder stretch. Now we're going to look at a modification. Taking a step toward the back of the mat, we'll try that move again. The handles are going to be a little higher now, which means the stretch will be not as deep. Now, step your right leg back, bring your hands back into a warrior here, leading with your left leg, and introduce your pendulum sway again. Spinning all the way around, come to standing.